Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NNRX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, a whole lot of updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is some house cleaning and just get rid of these lines down here. Sure, those levels still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines everywhere. So just, we'll try to keep this as clean as possible. First update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And this was just an absolutely beautiful example. It brings a tear to my eye as far as, you could throw this right into a textbook in terms of resistances and then wanting to see them act as support. So it was resistance and it was broken right there. So as the rule states, after that, you would want to see it act as support. So the price made a move up, pulled back, and surprise, surprise, look right where the price found support and then got an even bigger bounce from that point. So just a classic example there of resistances turning into support. And the ideal level of support going forward, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up there above 006. But as it stands right now, by no means is 006 a must-hold level, where if the price falls below it, that implies the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that. Yeah, sure, if the price could stay above 006, that would be great. But even if it doesn't, like I said, not the end of the world, because you still do have other areas of support down below the price, including 005, that green line, and then also the purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. What about levels of resistance? Nothing very complicated here other than the fact that the party stopped today right up around 0072. I realize the price did technically get slightly above there, but I think we'd all agree that the main point of price congestion was actually right here at 0072. So I'm going to call that the quote-unquote truer level of resistance, if you will. So all in all, though, public enemy number one at 0072, but as long as the price continues to chip away and build these higher bases like it's been doing, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.